Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you a story. This story is about courage. This story is about growth. This story is about not giving up. The English in this video is simple. Listen carefully. Relax. And enjoy. Chapter 1: A New Beginning. My name is Alex. 3 years ago, I moved to Canada. I wanted a new life. I wanted to study computer programming. I wanted to improve my English. But I was scared. My English was not strong. I could read. I could write. But speaking was difficult. When people spoke fast, I felt lost. I smiled. I nodded. But inside, I felt small. Chapter 2: The First Problem. In my first class, the teacher said, "Work in pairs and discuss your ideas." The student next to me looked at me and said, "So, what do you think?" My mind was empty. I knew the answer in my language. But I could not say it in English. I said only, "I think it is good." That was all. After class, I felt sad. I thought, maybe I made a mistake. Chapter 3: Hard Days. Life in Canada was expensive. Rent was high. Food was expensive. I found a part-time job in a small cafe. I cleaned tables. I washed cups. I listened to customers speaking English. Sometimes I understood. Sometimes I did not. One night, I went home very tired. I opened my laptop. I searched for flights back home. I wanted to quit. Chapter 4: The Small Conversation. The next day, something simple happened. A customer in the cafe asked me, "Are you a student?" I said yes. He said, "Good. Keep going. Don't stop." We talked for 5 minutes. Simple English. Slow English. He did not laugh at my mistakes. He listened. That small talk gave me hope. Chapter 5: A New Plan. That night, I made a new plan. I decided, I will practice every day. Not 1 hour. Not 3 hours. Just small practice. Every day. My daily routine. Read English for 20 minutes. Watch one short video. Repeat sentences aloud. Speak about my day in English. Simple steps. Chapter 6: Thinking in English. Thinking in English. In the morning, I said, "Today will be a good day." When I cooked, I said, "I am cutting vegetables." When I studied, I said, "This code works." At first, it felt strange. But after some weeks, something changed. I stopped translating in my head. Words came faster. Speaking became easier. Chapter 7: The Big Moment. One day in class, we had a group project. We needed to present our idea. My heart was beating fast. But I remembered my plan. Speak simply. Speak clearly. I stood up and said, "Our app helps students manage time." Short sentences. Clear words. The class listened. The teacher smiled. I finished without stopping. That was a big moment for me. Chapter 8: The Surprise. Do you remember the customer from the cafe? He came again. This time, he asked more questions. I explained my project. Slowly. Clearly. Then he said something surprising. I work in a small software company. We sometimes need interns. I was shocked. 2 weeks later, I had an interview. If I had gone back home, this would never happen. Chapter 9: The Interview. In the interview, they asked, "Tell us about a problem you solved." I used simple structure. Problem. Action. Result. I spoke slowly. I did not try to sound perfect. And they said yes. I got the internship. Final message: growth. Today, I work as a junior developer. My English is not perfect. But I am not afraid anymore. I learned something important. Growth is slow. Growth is daily. Growth is uncomfortable. If you are learning English, do not wait to be perfect. Speak now. Make mistakes. Learn every day. Maybe your opportunity is closer than you think. Thank you for listening. And remember, never give up.